Hey friends, Gator Mom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having an awesome day. Today we're talking all about this MZ Wallace Metro Drawstring Bucket Bag. I think this bucket bag from MZ Wallace is so cute and it's so fun, something different for fall. This blue leopard is a new print that they have this year. This bag also comes in a solid black. I really hope they release some new fun, bright colors whenever springtime rolls around because this is such a fun bag. I'm gonna go ahead and jump right into it so you can see what it holds and how the closure is there at the top, because I know a lot of you have questions with it being a drawstring here. Then at the very end, I'm going to take everything I have in here, throw it into a small Sutton as well as the small Metro tote, and just give you guys a quick look as to what all of the same items that I have in here look in those bags, just so you can kind of compare the difference of them. So this drawstring bucket bag has cute little handles here at the top, and then you have this nice leather at the very, very top of the handles, as well as on the zipper pulls over here. You can carry it by these cute grab handles, or you also have the option to carry it over your shoulder or crossbody with this strap here. I tend to use both. I carry it crossbody and then I also just kind of grab it by the handle. I took the strap off just for the purposes of the video so it's not flopping around on here. You have two large exterior pockets. You have this one in the front of the bag, and then you have the same exact pocket here on the back of the bag. The only difference between the two, the front and the back of the bag, is the MZ Wallace logo that you have here at the top in this kind of matte black color. It's really sleek and goes really well with the bag. So let's go into these pockets and then we'll talk about the opening and what's on the inside. Right here in this front pocket of the bag, I have just a bunch of odds and ends, things that I would grab for quickly, like my scrunchie. I have my face mask tucked in there, and then I have my Touchland hand sanitizer in the citrus scent. I have a big pack of gum, and then I also have a chapstick. Tons fit in here, as you can see. It's kind of the Mary Poppins pocket. And then I have two hair ties down in there. I could even fit more if I really wanted to. It goes the whole width of the bag here and all the way down to the bottom. So that's everything I have in this front pocket. Flipping the bag around here to the back, the only thing that I keep back here is usually my cell phone, which I don't have in here at the moment. And then I keep my keys and my wallet, just so I know right where it is. It's easy to grab. This is the Metro key pouch, and it has a couple of card slots on the inside, and it's plenty of room for cards, receipts, cash, whatever I need. And then I also have my keys attached here to the side of it. So that's everything that's in this. Oh no, I lied. You made a liar out of me. I have cars in here I forgot about from over the weekend. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 Matchbox cars. So have that tucked down in there as well. Now moving on to the very top of the bag, I did want to show you what the bag looks like on its side here so you can kind of see it all cinched up. I love that the drawstring here on the bag is accented with a little bit of a leather pull here at the very end of it. I think it just adds something to it and kind of makes it a little bit classier, I guess you could say. But over here on the side is where the little D-rings are to attach the messenger strap. If you have it fully closed here at the top like I do, it kind of makes a little bit of a circled silhouette, if you will. If you don't have it as cinched as I do, and if you're carrying it with the crossbody strap, it's going to make more of a rectangle, boxier look. So it really just depends how you have it packed up and how heavy you have the bag as to what shape the overall bag will take. So at the top, I'll give you a look of what it looks like all closed up there. It's real easy to adjust these drawstring straps. They just come undone. And then you can open it up really wide. You can see everything that's inside this bag. And if you're like me and don't really like closures at the top of your bags, this is a good choice for you because it's really fast and easy to pull these drawstrings, or you can just leave the bag open like this all the time, and it's just nice and like a throw and go type tote. So moving on to the inside of the bag, I will pull out the items. Let me see if it's better if I tuck this down a little bit. There. That's probably better. I'll pull out the big items and then I'll show you what I have in the pockets. The pockets on this bag is signature MZ Wallace pockets. You have your two pockets here, then you have your zipper pocket with the interior pockets in there. So in the big bulk of the bag, I have my eyeglasses. I also have tucked down in here a little Metro pouch, and inside here I have my earbuds and a charging cable for those. And then I have attached here my little packed party charging cable that I pretty much have all of the time. So that's what's attached on there. It's all kind of like my little tech pouch, if you will. Then I have a couple of things for the kids. I have a play pack that we got into over the weekend. I also have a big word find book. And then I have right in front of it, this is the small of the pack of 3 packing cases from Lily Jade. I love using these, especially if I need like a really slim type pouch to fit down in something. This has just all odds and ends. It has like a couple of little med things for the kids, like Band-Aids. I have my medicine, I have my healer stick, Neosporin, eye drops, all of that kind of stuff. A couple pairs of travel scissors and some more hair ties. So all the small little odds and ends fit in there really well. Then right next to it here, I have my Erin Condren planner. This is the Petite Folio planner with a couple of different planners and journals in there. So I carry that around with me when I have room. Then that is everything on the inside of the bag here. These 2 pockets back here, I just have a wet ones and a pen, as well as a Tarte lip gloss and a hand cream. So they just fit well in those pockets there. Then flipping the bag around, you have one zipper pocket back there in the back. And then inside the pocket, just like all the other MZ Wallace bags, you have 2 little small pockets inside there. Hopefully you can see. This is kind of like a snack pocket for me. I have some nuts in there. I also have a couple of these caramels that I had stashed away for the kids and myself. And then inside these little pockets, I just had a couple of granola bars. So 1, 2, I definitely had more in here over the weekend, and a big chewy bar. So that's everything down inside that pocket there. Let me give you a good look now on the inside of the bag. All empty. Hopefully you can see it really well. So much room in here. I absolutely love it. It's super cute and compact. Let me throw everything that I have inside the small Sutton and small Metro and show you what that looks like packed up. As you can see, the small Metro tote definitely held the most out of all 3 of the bags. There's still plenty of room in there for other items that I didn't even have packed in the bucket bag. The bucket bag, I believe, came in second. It held everything just fine, obviously, and then there was so much room in that Metro tote. The small Sutton, however, I was not able to put everything in here that I had in the other 2 bags. So it's definitely the smaller out of all 3 of them. So I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below as always, and I'll see you on my next video.